Hello Internet, welcome to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can pack your Amazon self-ship orders. First things first, you'll need a poly bag. This poly bag has a pouch for shipping label and a self-adhesive tape. If your orders are small, you can use poly bags. If your orders are big, you'll need to use these boxes, and on top of these boxes you'll need to put in the Amazon tape. Second thing you need is the shipping label. I've got this shipping label printed out on A4 sheet, but you can use a thermal printer with the width of the shipping label, and that has an adhesive tape also. But I'm going to be using the shipping label printed on A4 sheet anyway. Then you need 3 copies of tax invoice bill. One copy goes inside the order, one copy goes along with the shipping label outside, and one copy stays with you. And today my order is a small one. I've got to pack this order of picks, guitar picks from Guitar Cart. You simply need to put one tax invoice goes inside the package for the customer, and you can securely seal this, and then you need to put the shipping label. There are some poly bags which do not have this pouch. For that you can simply place the shipping label and use the cello tape or the transparent tape. And this is how simply you can pack your Amazon order. It is ready to ship now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll post more videos related to self-shipping in Amazon and more tips on online retailing. And thank you for stopping by and watching this video. You have a good day and a good life ahead. Bye.